Corner marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. USGT A1, we're going racing in less than 5. Got body tuck over there, Josh. Arthur out in front, followed by Dominic and Nelson. John Hicks and Devin to round out the top 5. Watch over here at the start finish line, and we're clear. Race leader across the start finish line in the orange and white. Arthur leading the way already coming up on, looks like Brett. So race leaders coming up on traffic already. Be aware of your leaders when you're going a lap down. Thanks. All right, there's a big battle for the 2 spot. Garza, Hicks, and Amatia down the back straightaway. It's actually a battle for 3rd, including Nelson Cortez in the back of that 5-car breakaway. Watch in the middle. And we're clear. Body tuck for the orange and white.
Back left, back left,
back left. You say.
Body tuck.
Still got body tuck for Nar. Race leader coming up on Nick. Down the back straightaway. Arthur Knight out in front, 3-way battle for 2nd. Down the back stretch, Dominic, John, and Nelson. Body, going for body up. Watching the start finish line, guys. Watching the start finish line go tight, and we're clear. When you have body tuck, try to pull it into a corner position. Watch it over on the right-hand side. We got a big cluster. One stuck against the pipe in the pink and blue. Arthur Knight out in front, Dominic Garza in 2nd, John Hicks in 3rd, Juan Amatia in 4th, Nelson Cortez and Devin battling out for the 5 spots. First across the line. Then we got 2nd across the line, 2nd down the back straightaway now, and then the battle for 3rd down the back stretch between John Hicks and Juan. So Hicks in 3rd across the start finish line now in that minty blue. Meanwhile, our race leader already getting around the 11 car for the 2nd time. So looks like Arthur a little bit slower in that lap traffic, 15.1. Watch it. That one goes on the other side. And we're clear. So when you get re-marshaled and you get back in the lane, guys, make sure that you are giving away the cars that did not have the bobble. Arthur Knight, Garza, and Hicks are top 3 here. We're 2:30 in and 2:30 left to go. Got 2:30 in, 2:30 left. Our race leader into the center of the course, coming up on blue and orange. I think that's Nick, and we're clear. 2nd place driver, Dominic Garza. Garza coming. Oh, it's going to be Hicks up into the 2 spot now in that minty blue down the back straight. Garza down to 3rd down the back straightaway now. Juan and Nelson still battling it out for 4th. Followed by Angel Furman, Devin, Picton, Gonzo, Pantana, Narb, and Brett. Our race leader coming across the start-finish line now. He'll be coming up on Picton and Vernon next. Trouble for John there. It's going to be Dominic up into the 2 spot. John back down. Oh, Juan up into 3rd. John down to 4th. 1 minute and 20 seconds left to go, guys. 1:20 left on the timer. 2nd place down the back straightaway now. Juan down the back straightaway as well. We got a little battle here for the 2 spot between Dominic, Juan, and now John getting back in the mix there. So coming up on Nick Pantana is a 3-way battle for 2nd. That orange and blue, thanks. Guys. Watch out, that is a battle coming through, coming up on a little bit more lap traffic there. All right, Arthur, Garza, and John Hicks, followed by Amatia and Vernon to round out the top 5. 40 seconds left to go. Watch it in front of the driver's stand, watch it in front of the driver's stand, we're clear. Arthur, Dominic, and Juan. Oh man, we got body tuck. Watch it on the straightaway, caution on the straightaway, clear. Unfortunate there for John getting on the wrong side of the pipe. Pulling it off to the corner. 10 seconds left to go. Dominic Garza in second. Juan Matia in third. Got body tuck over on the far side, guys. Don't forget, do not run on the track and do not stop abruptly. Thanks. We have a little bit of a loose carpet. If you start running too fast, white flag is out. Arthur Knight, you are done with the win. Dominic Garza, you're done with second. Juan Matia, you're done with third. Nelson, you're done with fourth. Angel, you're done with fifth. Devin, you're done with sixth. Gonzo, Nick, John, and Brett. That's a race, guys. It's going to be Arthur Knight taking the win for a number 122 and a 514. Garza second, 21 and a 509. Juan third, 21 and a 510.
No, he wasn't talking to you.